This is a men's trousers making video. Part 3, fly and waistband. These are the pieces we need. We'll start with the fly facing. Stitch a bias tape 0.5 centimeters from the curved edge of the facing. Fold it over and press. Arrange the bias tape smoothly under the curved edge without any pleats. Attach the facing to the right side of the left front piece. Using a 1.5 centimeters seam allowance. Fold the facing over towards the seam and edge stitch along the edge. Place the left front over the right front, with the right sides facing each other, and stitch along the front crotch from the notch. Stitch just inside the facing seam line and stop 2 centimeters before the end. Next is attaching a fly. Stitch one side of the zip along the straight edge of the fly. Zip stoppers on the top should be placed below the 1 centimeter seam allowance. Keep the needle in place as you open the zip and slide the puller down. Tilt the top of the zip tape slightly to make room for the zip puller. Attach the fly to the right front piece and stitch. Use a 1 cm seam allowance. stopping 2 cm below the notch point, and backstitch. There should be 0.5 cm gap created from this stitch to the crotch stitch. Fold the fly over and edge stitch along the body side, stopping 2 cm below the fly bone. Place the right front over the left front, aligning the centre front lines. Ensure the fly stitch line is 0.5 cm from the overlapped centre front line. Hold the centre front steady with one hand. Flip the fly over to expose the zip tape, and sew the zip onto the facing. Adjust the top of the zip tape to make space for the puller, tilting the stitch slightly at the top. The zip should be fully covered when closed. For tailored trousers, use a ready-made waistband lining or your own. Make sure to cut double skirts on the bias. Herringbone pocketing fabric works well. Attach the waistband lining to the waistband top edge. On the right waistband, the lining should extend 2 cm past the centre front notch. On the left, it should align with the centre front line. Press the seam allowance towards the lining side and stay stitch along the lining edge. Allowing for a 0.5 cm rollover on the waistband's top edge. Repeat for the other side. Attach the waistbands to the trousers' waistband line. Leave a 1 cm seam allowance on the left waistband front to be folded over the binding later. This completes part 3 of making trousers. The video continues in part 4.